So now let's see how we can work around with Paint format inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I got a bunch of data, and let's say I want to copy the top format out over here on the bottom. So let's say I want to say something like total right here, and I want to copy out the format from the top. So to do that, I can go around, select this out right here, select this format, and then click on Paint format. So this one is selected. Now all I need to do is click and drag the area right here, and then you can see that that format has been painted just like this. Similarly, I can paint out the other format as well. Let's say I want to paint out this format. So I'm just going to go around over here, click on Paint format. And if I were to click over here now, you can see that now this format has been copied out. Now let's say I want to copy out this format, click on Paint format, click and drag it out, and that format is copied out. So when you're working with Paint format, the cell properties and the text properties, both format properties are copied out. So I'm just going to go around, click on Paint format, click and drag, and you can see that even the cell, like the border type has been copied out, and it has been pasted right there. But in my case, I'm just going to delete out this data right over here. I'm going to go to Paint format, click and drag it, and what happens is that you can see that now it is a normal format right here. So there is nothing right there. Copy out, Paint format, click and drag it, and you can see that that is how it actually works around. So that is how you can work around with the Paint format inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.